Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a black background in VN Video Editor using the blend feature. This is perfect if you want to add overlays, animations, or logos without annoying black box around them. Okay, let's get started. First, just open VN Video Editor app, and then next, just import your main video to the timeline like this. Will be the background where you want your overlay to appear, and then next, just import the video or image that has the black background. Place it above your main clip so it becomes an overlay. So just tap on overlay, this one, just tap on it, and then just choose photos or videos, and then just import your videos like this, and then just resize and position it the overlay as you like, for example like this. Okay, like this. And then next, just tap on overlay clip. Make sure the overlay clip is active, and then on the bottom toolbar, just find the feature that called blend. Blend or blending, this one. And then just in here you will see a list of blend modes available. And to remove the black background, just select screen. This one, just tap on it. Okay, like this. And instantly, just like that, the black background will be disappeared like this, leaving only your transparent overlay visible on your videos like this. And then next, if you want the overlay to blend in more naturally, you can fine-tune it using the opacity slider over here. Just like it as you like, for example like this. But in here I will just make it to maximum like this, and that's it. You have successfully removed a black background in VN Video Editor using the screen blend mode. This trick is super useful for adding cool effects, animated elements, or clean transparent logos to your video. Like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!